Hey you guys, as you can see, our bathrooms are out of order. Both of them. Well, that's because our septic tank is overflowed. Now I want to see something. I don't know if it'll happen. I want to see if I flush a toilet, if stuff will come out the drain. If water, like the movies, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, let's go over here. There's the drain. My finger out of the way. There's the drain. As you can see, it's all wet and everything. So that's where stuff has been coming out of it. So here we go. Can't believe I'm doing this. That was a drag. Oh well. Looks like this video is getting ready.